Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yep, how are you all doing? I have my hair here in this chunky twist because I had just detangled my hair. Yes, so after taking down this twist, I'm now going to be creating a cutout at the back. I'm going to create a small section that will be made into a bun eventually. This hairstyle is one that I'm so excited to finally be getting around to recreating. I came across the look on Pinterest a while back and I never got around to doing it, and boom, I came across the same hairstyle on Instagram. It was recreated by Lola Williams. She's a Nigerian YouTuber, and I'm like, I just had to comment like, whoa, I've been wanting to do this hairstyle for the longest, like, but I never got around to doing it. And then she gave me another ginger, like seeing her recreating gave me another push and made me just say, oh, see, this is not going to be one of those millions of pictures or thousands of pictures that you keep saving but never get around to looking at them again. Talk more of even recreating them. So when I saw a picture, I'm like, I will definitely do this, and I just went boom, ordered the pins. And yes, now I'm finally getting around to doing it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. And I'm sure I'm not the only one at this table where you save pictures, you pin images and what have you, but you never get around to doing them. Let me know in the comment section if you're on that table too. One tip you should definitely go away with after watching this video is that you definitely want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled and moisturized. You can never go wrong with a properly detangled hair for any hairstyle at all. So make sure your hair is properly detangled and try and work in sections. As you can see here, I applied the hair gel in sections because my hair is quite full, and basically that is the only way you can get a sleek and crisp look with this hairstyle, and even any hairstyle if you asked me. So make sure you detangle and work in sections, okay? By the way, guys, if you're new here, I want to say a big thank you for stopping by and clicking to watch my video. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you so much. I really do appreciate the fact that you always come back to watch my video. And if you're yet to subscribe, my people, I cannot emphasize this enough. I really do need you to hit the subscribe button and join the family and share the video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. All these help to encourage me and help me to do more content. So please do not forget to do all that for me, okay? Thank you. The original hairstyle actually had two braids going all the way back, but I decided to switch it up by having mine just a little beyond the half of my head, and then the section that I left out, I joined it together to create a bun, like a low bun. I did this because I just felt like I would want to add a ponytail, and also if I was tired of the ponytail, it will also still be a look just to have my natural bun behind. So that's what I did with this look. Now I'm out here trying to do my edges. You guys, I never succeed in doing something really cute with my edges, but I think I want to try and make efforts going forward. And voila, look at the look, guys. So this is me without my ponytail. I had just used, after applying the gel, I just used a scarf to slick down the hair, and after a while I just went in and added my ponytail. And you guys, I got lots of compliments about this hair and I loved it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the look. If you're going to be trying it, also let me know. And if you ever get around to trying it, please do well to tag me on your pictures on Instagram and let's connect, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you on the next one. Love you so much and bye.